Hey guys, welcome to Quorse Tutorials. I'm Lydia and I'm going to show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Let's go. Firstly, you want to make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated, and you can check that at the Apple App Store. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp. So the poll in WhatsApp can be made in a personal chat or a group chat, but for this tutorial I'm going to go ahead with just a personal chat. Now at the bottom left corner you see a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. As you can see, there is an option to create a poll right at the bottom. Again, if you do not see this option, do check if your WhatsApp app has been updated. Now go ahead and click on the poll in order for you to start creating your poll. Now fill in whatever question you may have that you want to create this poll. Do take note that you can put up to a maximum of 12 answers. Now click on the top right hand side send and you have created your poll. Alright, so now one cool thing is that you yourself can also vote in your own poll, and you can actually vote once or multiple times. Now if you want to see the results of your poll, just go ahead and click on view votes, and inside there you can actually see who has voted and for what. Do take note that you cannot forward this poll to any other chat. The poll only can be used within the chat that it has been created in. And that's how you create a poll in WhatsApp on iOS. Alright, so first things first is you need to check if your WhatsApp app is updated. And you can check that at the Play Store. Now all you gotta do is open up WhatsApp. Now if you want to create a poll in WhatsApp, you can actually do it on a personal chat or a group chat. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna do it in a group chat. So once you go inside the group chat, just click on the paperclip icon and you will see many options, with poll being one of the options at the bottom. If you do not see the poll icon as an option, do check again if your WhatsApp app has been updated. Now to create the poll, just click on that icon. Now just put in whatever question you have for the poll. For this tutorial, I'm gonna put, do you know how to create a poll? So I can put yes, no, maybe. You can put many answer options and you can put up to 12 answers. Alright, to complete creating a poll, just click on the next button. Ta-da! Your poll is now completed, and even you yourself can vote in this poll. You can either vote a singular vote or multiple vote. And to view all the answers, you can click on view votes, and inside there you can see who voted for what. Do take note that you cannot forward the vote to any other chat, and it only stays within the chat that you have created it in. And there you have it, how to create a poll in WhatsApp for Android. I hope you have found this helpful. Do follow or subscribe to us for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Think trading, think Quorse.